Hi everybody. So you are watching and this is very useful for you. You are a business owner, you are the person who looking for the job opportunity. You are the person as a student you want to show your projects to uh, your teammates, and this is very important, this portfolio development. So many of the artists, many of the politicians, many of the people are who are the having the business, they are having the portfolios. This portfolio is representing the person skill set, person projects, and each and everything about the person in a professional life. So if you search this one, latest portfolio bootstrap template, in this websites which if you this search this website, that there is some mini websites that is appeared. So that websites is providing the code which is free of cost. So you directly can go and download it. There are some many websites that we are having, right? Download it, which is already downloaded multiple times in my system. So what you need to do, first one, when you go to the website, first one is you just extract this file using of this extract all. So if I extract all the folders are visible properly, because whenever you use the GitHub, so it completely the code will be completely into the zip. So it is having some concise of the MB 3 MB here. Okay, here you can see this is some a lot of MB files. Okay, just to go here, you should go to the inside. Why I'm saying this inside means index.html is a file, is a main file. When you are going to push the code into the GitHub, because in this video I'm going to uh, say that you try to push your all the code into the GitHub. So you might see the GitHub account in your system. If you don't have, you try to create your credentials and try to work on it. First of all, I used to create my portfolio. Okay, so you just directly use this one. It is already exist as it is mentioned, and I'm directly go with this. It is already exist portfolio. Now you can see it is available. Create this repository. So once you create the repository, copy this one. This is the copy, and then you wait for the next instruction. First one is go to the CMD. Click on CMD in the top of the page. Next, use code space dot. So if you have already Visual Studio Code in your system, you can directly open it. So once you open it, go to the terminal. In this terminal, see everybody. Here you can directly paste it all the commands, which is representing initiate the repository, next comment the message, branch, and then remote access and push the code. So once you push the code, try to check whether it is data is going to the system or not. See here. No, right? I hope you never seen that code inside of your name. See here, right? So directly go to the site. This is reinitialize the repository as it is mentioned. So write git add git commit -m changes in code. I mean added code. Right, and write it. Git add. We have added the code and git push. So repository is already exist last time. So this completely the code which is giving some error, right? So which is already which portfolio latest is not found. We are already taken this one. So let me take you through in a similar way as I already initiate the zip file, right? We will try by using of this one cmd code Control J. This is step by step process. Okay, try use Control V, enter. So once you have completed, look at the screen. You can see the readme file which is appeared here. First of all, readme file is appeared here. Okay, in my GitHub. Next one, what should I do? So if you want to change any of the code in your system, that you can change directly. So how can I change? So let me tell you, this is the site which you are selecting. Go to the live demo. In this live demo, search this name. This name means where we are going to change that particular name. So use Control F. This is I want to change. Okay, so when you changing the any of the code, you must do one thing. Okay, first of all, git add, because you are pushing the code to the GitHub repository. Git add space dot, next one is git commit -m changes, let code upload. Okay, code upload to git. Okay, code upload, let's say git push. If you push the code, automatically the code will be appear in the browser. So whenever you can see the code, you can recognize what type of files which is there in our system. See, look at the screen. The code should be visible like this. If you take the same code, here you need to go. Okay, whenever you can see, when you open your Visual Studio Code, you must go to this inside. Okay, otherwise this type of files are not appeared. So index.file.html file is a main file, so we can use for our main file, which is used to say that we can push the code and deploy the code. So let me tell you the hosting. Okay, hosting part. How can we deploy the code and we are done, and how to host the code. Okay, here there is a portfolio. Go to the settings, pages. There is some actions, GitHub actions which we are having. Click on GitHub actions, configure the file. So once you configure the file, commit the changes. This is the committing the changes from our system. Okay, so now it is loading. Now the workflow is loading. Please wait couple of minutes. Then the complete portfolio, um, text and everything is visible. Okay, so you can click on actions if you want to check whether it is hosting is going in the backend or not. Go here, work on the process, how it is working. Click on this. So once the deployment is done, you will see the color. Okay, this is my website. So as I am using the same website, right? The same website which is in a go live mode. The same website you can see. If you want to change anything, you can able to change it. There is a about page. In the about page also, if you want to be mention anything, you can able to mention and download the resume. So if you want to download the resume, there are some many factors that we are having. You also can use this PDF here. So view my work is related to the which work that we are having, like in the resume documents, and I mean education details and skills and everything. So let me tell you, like this is the services which you are having the services. Okay, portfolio is completely which is related to which technology that we are um, working right now. And if you add any of the technology that you are currently working on it, so there are some different like ML AI project, full stack projects that you can able to show. Okay, click on this, and this copy, right? This link is there. You also can use this link for to add your GitHub project code. Okay, next one, if you click on this one, the image will be appear. So in a similar way, you need to change all the text and all those things, and you try to build your strong portfolio for your upcoming opportunities. So I hope everybody is can understand my complete hosting part and everything. So I hope if you're having any doubt, you can please put in the comment in the YouTube, and then same like you, wherever you can feel free to like ask anything which is does not matter. So what silly question you are asking? Okay, thank you so much, and we will meet in the next video. You also can comment anything that if you want to know something related to the topic. Thank you everybody. Signing off.